All right, I got another one here. You can see there's two different types. Okay, this here I'm working on, waiting for the gears to come in. This one here I got off eBay. Excellent condition. Wasn't working. Um, Came with the original box, but when I got it, come to find out it was just a switch. So that switch right there, I had to take it apart. This wire that went into there uh, didn't have a good connection, so I took this apart, resoldered this one here as well. I had to resolder them, but basically it was just this one here. So what I did was I took a battery, I jumped a battery from the red wire from that post right in there to this post, and I guess the current actually it ended up making contact, through the ground or whatnot. It actually worked. I mean, briefly, but at least I knew, okay, it's got to be the switch. But I was squealing really bad because who knows how long this hasn't been used. So basically, I just took it apart, oiled it up. This is what I use here on these. I use this for my RC helicopter. Just one little straw there, just one drop goes a long way. And it doesn't squeal. This works absolutely perfect. And I got this as non-working, never opened up, and it's in excellent condition. I mean, really, really good condition. And so I got a good deal on it with the box. But this here, if you want to take off the top, it's not that difficult at all. So you got a couple of pins here. I can find the cover. Okay, so this here is the front of it. Okay, so you can see right there. We got one right here, a tab. Now they're bent from the inside, and it's very hard to get down in there to undo them. So this is what I did. So I remove these two tabs when I bend them back, so it'll come back out. Right, so we'll go in like this. So I bend these two out. And what I do is I just slightly pull it down like this. And what it does is it straightens out those lower tabs, and it will pull right out because they're in there crimped. And you can see how tight it is. That goes the same for the top. So you see this is the head here. So you see you have the back ones, right? Excuse me, those are the front. So you have a couple of tabs in here. Actually, you go like this. All right, just try to show you. See, so you got tab there, okay? Those not a problem to get out. But then you have these ones here that are in the rear. See those two little holes? And you're not going to get at those, not without damaging it. So what I did was, so if it was on like this, I removed those tabs in the back, as you see. Let's see if we can turn this around so we can get a better look. All right. So I removed the two upper tabs. You can see there. And those two will go in like that. And the leg's not good, but... So after I do that, straighten those tabs out, I just lift it up like this, and it automatically pulls those tabs. And it'll slide right out. The small tabs, you're not going to bend it, you're not going to break it. I mean, it'll bend so it will come out, but that's really the safest way to do it without scratching up the toy. But this works perfectly fine now, and I got this for a good deal. But if you want to take them apart, they're a little bit different to take apart than these here. The top's much easier on this here. But that's it.